If you're a mom like me and is looking for a headset or an ear clip na hindi nahuhulog kahit na gumagawa ka ng mga gawaing bahay, then this one is for you. I destroyed my previous ear clip kasi nahulog siya. And this time, I was looking for an ear clip na maganda yung base niya and at the same time, hindi masakit sa tenga. And lo and behold, kahit anong gawin ko sa bahay, nakakabit lang siya so that I can hear my phone when it's ringing pag nasa taas siya. And also, I can listen to music and listen to podcasts kahit na pinapaliguan ko yung anak ko. So, I really love this ear clip kasi maganda yung tunog niya and at the same time, hindi masakit pag nilagay ko siya sa ears ko. Even, I really tried to put this para makita nyo lang kung ano ang honest review ko dito. So, finish ko na lahat ng chores ko and I have to go back.